Anybody will tell you making divorce you and your spirit, guy. That person is such a short-sighted buffoon. Oga, stop trying. Stop trying, guy. You can't practice. You can't express million-year-old or billion-year-old spirituality through religion where they like 1,000-year-old or 2,000-year-old or even 100-year-old. Stop trying. I made a new friend. We don't go Alpha for her. Before we went for Alpha, she told me stuff that she in her church, they told her to separate. They did a total divorce of her and Adim Mili. You are a spirit, and they go and divorce you and a spirit because of something that you are experiencing in this 100-year plane. This plane that you will be in for 100 years. What is 100 years even in the spirit sphere? You now divorce you and your eternal spirit because of maybe you can't get money or some shit. As you just talk I just dey pissed. I just dey tell I just dey so pissed. I go Alpha. I no tell SM more, of course. You know what I'm saying? And that thing be all of now where they go Alpha, where they find where they go, they speak Latin for you know what I'm saying? Alpha language basically is not. I'm not criticizing Alpha language, but a lot of you are going to Alpha looking for everyone and I go lunu seeing dibia or say Alpha, seeing kawan, seeing about the main thing and Alpha be fan. It can be easy if any DJ ban boasigi ne more na drone do. You make it better more na. See, I know they do Alpha, right? I'm just telling you how easy it can be. It can be that you put and say, yo, this elements of you now will be a ball of energy. No day in it at the do with you. Until I swallow male magic, male fire tricks, male water tricks before you maluna na about Alpha. I go Alpha, I no tell the girl, of course, see what she tell me. Obo ndiche ndi umobwe. Obo okube ndi mmili kwuo na spiritual husband they are the knockers now. So now then after you talk and finish, now I come be like this person, they go church where they do this thing, where they go do where they do their bullshit. Now him did their constant talk about no nya koni kuna amalo ebe onye si eme no nya kan oji ajunum na onwe bu no ma ndi nwanu wu ase onya na ka ekewa anya na agwu ya. What a madness to kewa you and your isi, to kewa gina your brain, your brain obviously is here, right? Your ose yeah ka alagba ge sinoke another one je ke kewa anya na agwu ya in day blind till date. So stop trying. When I go against things like this fucking Gordianism thing, we just pop up for Igbo Radar recently, and any of them, they call them CIA contraptions. Now CIA, they create all those things, guys. Because stop trying to. Because if you even know what's in cults, they do the few religious cults that they happen for USA. If you know the relationship they get to the CIA and stuff, you're gonna say. For Africa, we be dumping ground for them to come dump their shit and control their thing. We no be human beings to them. Stop trying to express African spirituality through colonialist lens. We no like us. We they so happy to rob us. Stop doing it. They find the law. I say, okay, you no kuku land. Man, okay, I age you kuku buongi. Okay, now age you kuku buongi. Ka occasion for part. They do, guys. You know, anybody will tell you making divorce you and your spirit, guy. That person is such a short-sighted buffoon. Oga, divorce you and your spirit because of what? Because of what? Like, why? How long you there for this earth? Waiting this earth time be for spirit time, where they could divorce you and your eternal spirit. Which is even bullshit, right? They will just succeed in annoying your people more so that they will call you to glory, because it the foolish. They could just call you to glory. Because I'm only feeling out. So now the only thing will go happen, that bullshit where you go do, now ain't go make them call you to glory. Okay, nothing. But I go stream Holy as when you've not done your ego for stream it on your way to work. Stream it. It's a meditation too. Cheers.